Hello, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the most important thing that when we are teaching to students, and when we say that, for example, when we say that 1 by 0, then we say that that is infinity. And that is a wrong thing. That is a mistake. And sometimes we say that 1 by 0 is a 0. That is not a infinity, and that is not a 0. That is a common mistake we are using while we are teaching to students. Then what is the correct meaning of this 1 by 0, 2 by 0? The correct meaning is division by 0 is undefined. What is the meaning of undefined? Note this thing that, for example, 2 divided by 0. It means when we divide it by 0, then there is no number when we multiply by 0 and we will get 2. For example, 0 multiplied by 2, which is 0. So that is the wrong thing. There is no number. For example, 2 by 1. Yes, that is a defined form. Why? Because there is a number, when we multiply by this number, clear, we will get this 2 and remainder is 0. For this, we have no number to multiply this and we will get 2. So that is a undefined form. That is a undefined form. That is a undefined form. Because the definition of divisibility is that if A divides B, if A divides B, then there exists an integer such that AC equals to B. It means when we multiply A with C, we will get this B. Mean that is a B, and that is A, and that is the integer C. When we multiply by AC, A with C, we will get B. Correct? For this, there is no numbers C such that AC equals to this B. So correct meaning is undefined. Clear? Thank you for watching. If you like, if you have understood my point, then like my video and shares to everyone that helps other peoples.